In this video, we're going to make the 3-in-1 Matchfit jig.
Because this jig can be used at the table saw as a tall fence, a tapering jig, or a jointing sled.
Yep. We're going to use the free plans from MicroJig. You just go to the website and download them. We're going to actually make a few modifications, as you'll see in the video, but we use the table saw, we use the routing table, as well as we use the MicroJig grid guide.
Let's get started.
All right, so we chose MDF over Baltic birch again.
Oh, yeah.
Wonder why?
Because it was in the scrap pile.
Oh, that's right, that's right. Anyways, we had to cut out the, 10-inch wide piece. And then we had to measure our fence.
The length of our fence, 39.5 inches.
Yeah. And then, so we marked that up. We used our 360 sled, set that up on there, clamped it down, nice and safe, and cut it down to length. All right, next step, routing out the relief grooves.
But right away, we forgot the respirator.
We had a side-eye moment, of course.
We did,
Yep,
but we got back on track, got it done right.
Yep.
Got those vertical grooves done.
Yeah, 2 inches on the fence, right?
Set 2 inches on the fence, got vertical grooves done, and then we turned around and got the horizontal grooves. But
again, then obviously
we forgot to lock the casters on the table.
We're always doing that. So, but anyways, we lucked out, no damage, no injury, and we were able to finish them out. Got them all cut. We thought we were going to be, saving some time working outside, but it was so messy.
It was.
All right, next step, route out the dovetail tracks.
Yes, kind of deja vu. Just change out the bit and do the same thing that we just did.
Yeah,
do the vertical and the horizontal.
We were just a lot better with locking the casters in the cart, wearing our respirator. So we're quick learners.
Yeah. Next, we cut off the corners. This is to help stop impact damage, and it looks cool.
All right, you want a really cool tool, everybody? Get you one of these bad boys. It's a quick edge guide by Hamdui, and it allows you to do like chamfer planing, or you can do like a chamfer edge, or you can do a round over. I chose the chamfer. And according to the instructions, you for the 3-in-1 jig, you do the 2 short sides and 1 long side. Using a 3-in-1 as a tapering jig. Our plan is to actually use this when we go to build out our French cleat wall this year. And we're going to make those custom tool holders.
Yeah.
And a lot of those are going to require unique tapers and things like that.
So we can do it safely.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, it's going to make it a lot easier and quicker. Using the jig as a joining sled. This is going to be awesome. It's going to allow us to take edges, create a straight edge on one side, right? And then flip it over, put it on the fence, and then now cut the other side to give you perfect parallel.
Yes.
Right? So it's a way of, it's a cheaper way instead of buying a jointer. And so you use a table saw like a jointer.
Yeah. Yeah. Save space.
Exactly. And money.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, big time. Yeah. But we're definitely going to use this when we start getting into making cutting boards. It's one of our
we haven't done that yet. We've done all kinds of other projects, but cutting boards are next.
But it's on our list. Using the jig as a tall fence. Here I'm actually cutting a rabbet on the end of a board on a table saw. It actually turned out pretty good. Had to make a few little adjustments, you see, but man, was that nice.